Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 600 Pro, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, you need the internet connection, so make sure that you've got one, and I highly recommend to use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, so you can avoid some charges during downloading something, and then you can open the Play Store. However, you need to be aware that you need to be logged in into your Google account. If you want to, you can do it after entering the Play Store, or you can do it using the settings. You can also check our tutorial of how to do it. I mean, how to add or remove a Google account in the specific device, so you can follow our steps. Alright, so we are in the Google Play Store. All we need to do is to tap on the circle in the right upper corner to open our account, and then go to Manage Apps and Device. Here, let's tap on Updates Available, and as you can see, this is the list of all updates pending. And basically, it's up to you what you want to do, because you can either tap on Update All, and your device will download all of the updates, or you can simply go through the list, find the apps, and tap on Update next to it. So, as I said, it's up to you how you want to do it. Now, your device will show the updates at the very top. It will show you the current process, so right now it is installing everything, and basically it will do the whole work, the whole job for you. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.